Here at Excel Machinery, we want everyone to excel in their job. Maybe you already know this, or maybe this is a refresher, but regularly servicing equipment is super important, and it's the best way to keep everything safe and usable. Like with many other parts of your job, there's the potential for injury when servicing machinery or equipment. Here are 5 tips for doing it safely. 1. Before servicing anything, make sure it has been stopped, de-energized, and properly locked and tagged. 2. Ensure all guards are in place, everything is in order, and the area is cleaned up. 3. Don't do any cleaning or adjustments while the conveyor belt is running. 4. Don't use pipe extensions on tools to loosen tight nuts or pipe fittings. Instead, just use the right size wrench or socket. 5. Don't service a machine when someone is in the operator's seat, unless they're helping and qualified to operate it. Keep in mind that some servicing protocols will vary. For example, heavy mobile equipment like cranes have specific inspection and maintenance requirements, while dozers and loaders have different needs. Either way, keep records of when maintenance is complete and who completed it. We know this isn't the most exciting topic, but slacking on this results in less productivity in the long run. Now get out there safely and crush your next project.